So that's what it is. Well, and so you guys already learned that the past and the present. So you guys are really good at that already. So let's go over some examples. Like, anybody give me an example of the present tense? Anything? You are? Simple present. I work. So I work. I work today, for example? Yes. Today? So, okay. So what would that be yesterday, for example? Where I worked. I worked. I worked. I worked. Okay. What would be another example of thinking? What would be another example of present, simple present tense today? I study. I write a letter. I write a letter. Every day. For example. Francisco. Right? You write a letter every day. I write a letter. Yeah. Or every day. That'll be better. Yes. What would it be in the past? What would it be in the past? I wrote. It's an irregular verb, so it's kind of different. I wrote a letter yesterday. Yes, this is two good examples of some of the knowledge that you guys have now. But so what we're going to do is we're going to learn the future tense. So just make a timeline here. Past. That's the future. Present. So present would be like I work today, or I write today. So it's sort of like in this area, as you guys know pretty well. The past, I've worked yesterday. You're talking about yesterday, so that's an action that has a point in the past. What we're going to learn today is the future. It's going to be here. So, the example would be I will work tomorrow. So the key expression would be will. Anybody tell me what it would be here? I wrote a letter, so I write a letter every day, and tomorrow will be. It's probably better like this. I should probably erase that. So it would be I will write a letter tomorrow. So what is it? Right here. Anybody give me more examples of the future as well? I will. You got it. She will play basketball. She will play basketball. When? Basketball next week. Okay. So tell me tomorrow, next week, in the future. Some point in the future. So she will play basketball. Next week. Okay. Anybody else give me an example? I will buy. Look. Tomorrow. Let's do the same. So I will buy a book tomorrow. Okay. a beautiful point there, so I'm going to write a few questions, write a question and answer it. Wow. So, what will you do today? What will you do today?
I will be drinking.
What will you do tonight? Tonight?